Think about what makes your own house feel like home. It gives you food to eat, water to drink, a safe place to sleep out of the rain, and enough space to run around and grow. Animals have those same four needs. Scientists call an animal's home a habitat. A habitat is any place in nature that provides that food, water, shelter, and space. But an animal can't just live anywhere. Imagine a big polar bear trying to make a home in the middle of a hot, sandy desert. The bear would be in trouble. It would be way too hot under the sun, and it wouldn't find the pools of water or the ice it needs to find its food. Because the desert doesn't have what a polar bear needs, it can't survive there. In the wild, every animal has a home built specifically for them. A desert is a very difficult place to live. It is extremely dry, often very hot, and covered in rolling hills of sand or rock. But for a camel, this is perfect. Camels and fennec foxes are built to handle the heat without getting sick, and they can go a long time without needing a drink of water. Think about that polar bear's thick fur. It's like wearing a heavy winter coat on the hottest day of summer. That fur is a special tool called an adaptation that is built to trap heat inside the body to keep the bear warm. To use that adaptation correctly, the bear needs to be in the Arctic. This is a freezing environment covered in snow and ice. In the cold, that thick fur works perfectly to keep the bear cozy. It's the same reason seals and penguins can stay active here, even when it's snowing. These two places are complete, total opposites. The heavy fur that keeps an animal safe in the snow would make them much too hot to survive in the sand. Let's try another mix-up. Imagine a fish from the ocean trying to live in the middle of the woods. A forest is a habitat filled with trees, plants, and plenty of hiding spots. The weather changes from rainy to sunny, providing lots of water for the plants to grow. A fish would fail here because it doesn't have lungs to breathe the air or legs to walk. But for a squirrel or a deer, the forest provides everything they need to climb, run, and hide. When we move the fish back to the ocean, everything changes. The ocean is a massive body of salt water that is very wet and very deep. This water gives the turtle exactly what it needs to breathe and move. In this vast, wide-open space, animals like whales and octopuses have all the room they need to swim. Whether an animal has gills for the water or claws for the trees, their physical tools determine exactly where they belong. Every animal you see has a body that is built specifically for its surroundings. Together, we call those surroundings an environment. This chart shows our four main habitats. Each provides the four essentials: food, water, shelter, and space. To live here, animals use adaptations like thick fur or fins. With the right body, they find a shelter to safely sleep and hide. In the wild, every animal has a home that fits its body perfectly. If you were one of these animals, which of these four habitats would you choose for your home, and why?